Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today, we have something pretty special. This is the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta R-Line manual. I personally did not know that you could get an R-Line in a manual until just today I found out. You can see there's the manual shifter. Of course, an automatic is available, but the manuals are pretty rare, and I definitely think they're going to hold their value. 24774. Yeah. 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 6-speed manual. R-Line is a little bit of an upgrade on the S. Comes with different wheels, badging, leather. It's mainly an appearance package, if anything. You'll also get some heated seats back here and a nice leatherette material. In here you have all your vehicle settings, so your ESC can go in here. If you have winter tires, personalization, assistance system, but yeah, I mean, really nice. Good sized sunroof, sunglass holder. I think this is an absolutely perfect middle ground. Absolutely phenomenal. Obviously not the fastest thing in the world, but it's no slouch either. Right, probably about 160, 170 horsepower, give or take. If you want power, of course, the GLI is available for those who need it. Really surprising is heel toe is honestly really easy in here. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult, but no, it's really a breeze. Engine's pretty willing to rev. And once your speed's lined up, it does have a little bit of rev hang, which can sometimes upset the synchros if you don't get the shifting just right. Doesn't really like to go into gear until it's revved down. But once you get the hang of it, it's super easy to drive and really, really rewarding too, in a way. Because it's really kind of easy to get everything lined up perfectly for a really, really smooth shift. And then once that happens, it's just everything comes together. I've really found no reason to keep it above 4,000 RPM. All the torque is way down low, really between 1,700 and 4,500 RPM. So there's no reason to really rev it out. There's no real turbo lag. I mean, it's barely noticeable. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.